Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure your Beehiiv integration on your AEvent campaign and how to create timeline actions using your Beehiiv integration. To start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in, let's go to the campaigns list by clicking on campaigns from the left-hand side. Here you'll see all the campaigns that you have on your account. So just open the one you want to enable Beehiiv for. So let's use this one. And then once your campaign is loaded, you just have to click on integrations here from the left-hand side. Look for Beehiiv on the list of your integration. So here it is. To enable it, you just have to toggle the switch here. And then you will be prompted. If you are sure, just click on customize and this will open the Beehiiv settings window. So let's just exit out of that one. I would just like to show you that clicking on this gear icon to the right of Beehiiv also opens the same window. So from here, you can select the publication, so just click on the one you want to use and then click on update settings once you are satisfied. There you have it. We have successfully enabled and configured Beehiiv for your specific AEvent campaign. The next thing that we will be doing is I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions using Beehiiv. So click on timeline here from the left hand side menu. From here, this is where you can see all your timeline actions. You can switch between three different views: month view, week view, and day view. So click on create action from the upper right hand side. You have to select the day when you want this to be triggered and then select the time. I'll be selecting after, let's say, I want it to be relative time. So 1 hour after event start. And then select your target audience. I'll be selecting attendee. Select the Beehiiv application or integration. And then the first timeline action that we will be creating is add newsletter list subscription. So this adds your leads to a newsletter. And then select the publication again and then select the newsletter list. Once you are satisfied, you just have to click on create here at the bottom and we will get confirmation that we have successfully created the timeline action. There you have it. So let's create the last timeline action that we can create with Beehiiv. Again, set the day when you want this action to be triggered. Set the time. So I'll be using relative time again. I want it set 30 minutes after the event has started. And I'll be targeting attendees again. We'll be selecting Beehiiv from this list. And then this time we will be creating the add subscription tag action. And then you have to select the publication again. And this field here, you have to type in the name of the tag by hand instead of selecting it, and then it will get created in Beehiiv. So once you're satisfied, just click on create at the bottom. And again, we'll get confirmation that the timeline action has been successfully created. There you have it. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.